How to stabilize a video in CapCut. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can stabilize a video in CapCut. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First of all, open up your CapCut. After you open up your CapCut, you can then simply choose a video to start working on. You can take one from your draft or start a new project. I'll just take one from the draft. After you've imported the video, select the video like this. Then here, under here, you can scroll and until you find the stabilize option. There you'll find stabilize. You can tap on stabilize. As you can see, it was on free trial. Now you can choose what you want. So you can choose the level of stability you want. So keeping on recommended will give you a more smoother version of the video. So as you can see, it can take some time to stabilize. So just let it do its thing. And after it's done, you can simply export it. And after you export it, your video will have been stabilized. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.